What's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video for you. If you see my last one on the Vet, did some interior updates, like this new C6 shifter. The custom shift boot is finally got in the mail like a month later from Redline Goods. And I just wanted to show y'all a quick install on it because not a whole lot of videos out there, so you kind of have to figure it out on your own, even though it's not that hard, but figured I'd show y'all real quick. So I didn't record me putting the new boot onto the old plastic ring. As you can see, I'm letting it cure right now. It's good enough to put on the car. But pretty much all you do is use an adhesive or a glue to glue it to the old plastic ring. You know, you take the old staples out, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but it's been drying for a couple hours now, and I think it's time to throw it on. I think it's gonna look pretty good too with my seats and the rest of the interior. So let's get it thrown on. So to get this knob off, if you're running the C6 shifter, you're just gonna turn this ring counterclockwise, which will expose this screw, which is a Phillips head, and I believe you just take that out and the knob should come off, and that'll allow you to throw in your new boot. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So I just wanted to add, I found it easiest to actually pull the boot up upside down so that you could then pull it through the little ring that's there, or else you really can't get it by just pulling it this way. It's best to take out the trim and then go through it like this, and then you can pull up through a lot easier. And I was able to get it all the way, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Definitely a lot better than stock. And I've seen they make aftermarket caps of these. I've seen a few people run, and it looks really good. I'll probably do that in the future, but I think it's like a couple $100 for a custom one, which is a little ridiculous. But this boot from Redline Goods is really good quality. The leather feels great. Doesn't feel cheap. It's real leather, so definitely a nice piece. I think it was like $50. And I'd say it's worth the wait. What is going on, guys? So I want to do a little POV drive-in for you and do a little review on the C6 shifter now that I got it all buttoned up and I spent, you know, some time driving it. I think it's been about 2 months or so since I installed the shifter. Sorry if it's loud in here, this car's loud, but just got the shit boot in probably last week or so, but I've been driving with the actual shifter itself for probably about 2 months now, and it's great. It's such a big improvement over the stock C5. Yeah, definitely well worth it for the money. I think it was $200 all for it. I think I got it on eBay. I never drove, you know, like an MGW or any of the other options, but definitely well sorted. It shifts smooth. I am running the NT Venom mod and shifts like butter. But yeah, I want to do some polls for you guys and stuff while I'm on my way to work. It's a short drive, so nothing crazy, but you know, just some onboard footage. I'm letting the car warm up right now, but yeah, C6 shifter is so much better. I hit all my shifts way smoother, bit of a shorter throw too. But yeah, I'll let the car warm up and do a couple of baby pulls for you guys. I don't have good tires in the back, so I kind of just slide everywhere, but yeah.